We are using the 6+1 Writing Tricks rubric to grade our essays. And the first section we're going to talk about is the ideas section of the rubric. In the ideas section, we're going to also talk about choosing a topic. So the topic should be narrow and manageable. Also consider the length of your essay. The shorter of an essay, the more narrow and manageable the topic's going to be. The longer the essay, the more broad in your topic choice could be. Think about the difference between World War II in general, the causes of World War II, a specific battle in World War II, or a specific person in World War II, or a specific person in a specific battle of World War II. Depending on the length of your essay will depend on how narrow your topic is. Make sure you can fully communicate all information you need to about that specific topic in that page length. So for example, if you have to write a 2-page essay, do not just choose World War II in general because you won't be able to clearly communicate all the facts in only 2 pages. Also, make sure you have enough information about the topic. If you had to write a 30-page paper about a topic, picking something specific may not warrant you enough information about that topic. So make sure that it's narrow enough that you can fully communicate the message in the topic, but not too narrow where you cannot fully meet the page requirement for your essay. Okay, next thing we're going to talk about is quality details. So in the ideas section, you're graded on quality details. So you should have relevant, showing details that give the reader important information that go beyond the obvious or the predictable. So don't tell us, show us. So use more descriptive words and more descriptive sentences to describe the situation to us. Show us the full effects of what is going on. You're also graded on accurate details, so make sure that the details that you include are accurate and support the main idea. You're also graded on writing from knowledge or experience. So to get the highest marks on your rubric, you should be writing from knowledge or experience, and the ideas are fresh and original. So we get some sort of your own personal feelings on the topic. Next section you're going to be scored on is reader's questions. So make sure that the reader's questions are anticipated and answered. So think if you were reading your essay, what kind of questions would you have about the topic? And then address those in your essay. Okay, next section you're going to be scored on is insight. So insight is an understanding of life and a knack for picking out what is significant. So figure out what are the most important details to include. What is more important than other details? Next one is generating ideas. So make sure when you look at your prompt for your essay that you read it thoroughly, you make sure you fully understand what is being asked of you in the essay, and then mind map possible ideas. So start with the very broad and start mapping out and going to the specifics. So then you can look at the length of your essay and determine your topic specifically.